press the red button.
Okay, so, well, this time goes fast. So today, it's Marley and Quinn. It is, by the way, we changed our channel name. It is iFriend. But today we're doing a video.
We're gonna change it though. We're gonna change it. We're gonna change it.
It's iFriend, but
we have to change the real name though. Yeah, in the picture.
We're like doing a quick film of her cat Piears, which is crazy. So Piercy the cat is what we would.
Okay. Come here.
Make sure to subscribe. Also, guys, there's this cool thing. What is it called again?
Morph.
Morph. Hold the camera.
Yeah. No!
So, like,
Come here.
I need,
Can you come here?
like, I'm trying to get them to see it. So, like,
Turn around the camera so they can see you.
Oh, yeah. So, guys, this is it. You see it? It's cool. Like,
okay, now I'm in the video now.
really cool.
Okay, let me.
So, yeah, Marley is here.
Yay!
So, yeah, make sure to subscribe, like. If you don't like this video, don't even touch the button. And don't try to comment, too. Do a nice comment. So, yeah, let's.
And also share with your friends. Follow me and her on Musically.
Yeah, well, yeah, I'm just going to be starting Musically. I mean, yeah.
For you guys.
Bye!
Bye!
So there's Pete. No! You need to see. It's only 1 minute long. Nobody's going to like and subscribe to a 1 minute long video. So you see Piears being crazy. Piears! Sorry,
Piears Kingston.
Piears Kingston Smith or Ray.
Smith or Ray, come here.
Pick him up. Oh, snap. He's scared of the crutches, guys.
Yep.
Like, he's scared.
He's fake. They're fake.
Yeah, even though they're fake, he's still, like, scared of them.
They're not really fake, they're real, but
they're
injuries.
Yeah. It's not from a real injury. She just, like, got them for free.
Yeah, they're at
so hold the camera.
They're at the restore.
Sorry, guys, about the blackout.
They're at the restore in Monk's Corner. Buy them
For free.
free. They're actually free, not like any money. Just free. You can just walk out with them. You won't even get in trouble.
I wouldn't say do that.
Just walk out with them if your parents say yes. Okay?
Don't
Bye.
do that, guys, because you might be getting y'all in trouble.
I'm not. I actually did that when I got them, though.
Oh, my gosh.
And I didn't even get in trouble. They're super free.
Hey, no.
Guys.
So, sorry about all that stuff.
The blackouts.
Yeah, we were working on the cord. Because we're trying to get closer to Piercy.
Okay, put that camera actually by him.
Hold it. I can't.
Here. Okay,
You hold it so I can, like, tickle him.
Okay, you guys watch this.
No, they're missing it. Ready? You're so mean.
It's like
Piears.
It's like you're hugging her.
Yeah, like, okay. So let me see how long this video is. Why don't you go play with your cat?
Okay. Wait, no, don't.
I'll just go. So, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and we say bye.
And share it with your friends.
Yes, we say bye. So, bye-bye.